how to compare dental plans online. You can easily compare pediatric dental plans, family dental plans, and qualified health plans with dental benefits with our dental plan comparison tool. To access the tool, visit newyorkstateofhealth.ny.gov and select Help Topics and More under the Support and Resources navigation. Then, under the Individual and Families navigation, select Compare Dental Plans, and then click here. Under Dental Plan Type, if you are searching for a dental plan for adults or adults and children, select the Adult and Family Plan option from the drop-down. If you are searching for a dental plan for children only, select the Pediatric Dental option from the drop-down. Lastly, if you are looking for a qualified health plan in your county that includes a family dental benefit, select Qualified Health Plan that includes dental benefits from the drop-down. Next, select the persons covered and the county in which you reside. If you would like, you can also filter for specific insurance companies if the plan has out-of-network coverage, metal level, and dependent age. Keep in mind, you will need to click search again every time you add a new filter to update the results. If you are happy with the applied filters, you can click the Compare Plans checkbox of up to 3 plans and then compare them side by side for information such as premiums, annual budget maximums, and more. Try the Dental Health Plan Comparison tool today.